Hi, this is Lionel from FASTLAM. We are going to weld on our new foam laminator, non-crossing foam together with crossing foam. So we have chosen to weld 5mm LD45 on 28 kilo density non-crossing material. Please have a look. .28 kilo density. This machine is fully automated. You just need to set the thickness and off you go. We can see that the plank has been welded absolutely perfectly from the start. Now we are going to cut a slice of it. So I think this is a very good job. Foam has been welded on the whole surface. Thank you very much for your time.